Hey friends, so I've got a lot of questions about this tractor. Now there's not been a lot of people who've done a lot of reviews on this, and I'm one of the first. And when I get questions, I am very happy to oblige and help. One of the questions I've got is, will you please remove the deck because it does have a quick release system? I'm more than happy to do that. This is going to be super fast, super fun, because this is the one and only deck that's ever came off like less than a minute. So let's zoom in. Now the first thing you want to do is take the handle. We're going to lower it all the way down. And then there's one little latch here. You press it down, and that is the quick deck engagement level. After you lower it all the way down, you have two plugs right here. All you need to do, hopefully you can see this okay, is you twist and unlock. That's very simple. Trying to do it one-handed. It's threaded. Okay, so it's done. I did it with one hand. You see that? Now you just do the other side. I'm actually able to reach it from over here. So I'll do it with this hand. Okay, so that's off. And now, all you need to do is pull this lever right here. Now you twist it down after you pull. So that is unlocked. And if you take a look right here, all that is a hook. So all we're going to do is take this, we're going to make sure the hook's out of the way. I usually just turn it. And now all you do is just slide it out. It stays up on its own. It's not that heavy. But now you have full access to the bottom of this, and you can see how everything works. Everything spins very nicely. Nothing's damaged. I do have some grass buildup, so I'll clean that off. But you can see how this is fabricated. You have extra material here for reinforcement and guards. And you see you have your dual blades, your set nuts. You can see the clearances. You can see the conditions of your blades. This is a really strong deck, but you can do all your maintenance. And then you can put it right back out to service. But that took me, if I wasn't filming it, I could have done that less than a minute. I could have had this off. I could have done all the work that I needed to do and then put it right back in service, and then I could be on my merry way. Okay everyone, so that's it. This was super simple to take off. You have quick releases on the back of this deck. On the front, it's just a simple J-hook. This is the easiest deck I've ever released on a tractor, on a mower, on just about anything. I hope that this was helpful, and maybe this gives you a little bit of insight if you're looking into one of these tractors. This is the first quick release system I've seen on this type of tractor, but it makes servicing it so easy. If you all have any more questions, please shoot them my way. I'll be happy to assist, and we'll check out anything that you want. We're here for the community. We're here to help people out. So everyone, until next time, please like, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, please share the video, because we are trying to share the coolness and the goodness of tools with everyone, because that's what we need, a world full of doers. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.